In this video, we will be taking a look at the best smart hose timers on the market, perfect for automating your garden or lawn irrigation. These devices offer features like Wi-Fi control, weather-based adjustments, and dual-zone functionality, making it easier to manage your watering needs remotely. If you are looking for advanced options with voice control or a more budget-friendly choice, we have got you covered. Let's explore the key features and benefits of each product to help you make an informed decision. Number 1. Rachio SHVK001 Smart Hose Timer. The Rachio SHVK001 Smart Hose Timer offers seamless control over your watering system, right from your smartphone. With advanced features like rain skips and voice assistant compatibility, it ensures your plants are watered efficiently without the hassle of hand watering. It's perfect for those who want a smarter, more automated way to manage their garden. Key features: manage and monitor watering via the Rachio app. Eliminates the need for manual hand watering. Automatically skips watering if rain is expected. Voice-controlled operation. Easily start a manual run with the app or timer button. Number 2. YYSTEBS Smart Hose Timer. The YYSTEBS Smart Hose Timer offers an efficient way to automate your garden's watering schedule with easy app control via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. With features like rain skip and a wide remote control range, this timer ensures reliable watering no matter where you are. Its waterproof and low-power design makes it perfect for outdoor use in various applications. Key features: manage watering schedules remotely via the Smart Life app. Automatically pauses watering during rainy days. 200 meters Wi-Fi signal range. IP65 rated for outdoor durability. Efficient operation with extended battery life. Number 3. Orbit 24632 Smart Hose Timer. The Orbit 24632 Smart Hose Timer offers effortless automatic watering, ensuring your plants get the right amount of water based on local weather data. With both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control, this timer provides flexibility for remote management and customization. It's built for outdoor durability with waterproof protection and adjusts watering based on drought conditions. Key features: adjust watering using precise local weather data. Remote control via Wi-Fi or local setup through Bluetooth. Automatically adjusts to local drought levels. IPX5 rated for outdoor use. Ensures efficient water usage when used with the Wi-Fi hub. Number 4. Diivoo WG04 Smart Hose Timer. The Diivoo WG04 Smart Hose Timer offers the convenience of remote and voice control through the Smart Life app, making irrigation easier and more efficient. With 2 zones and multiple preset plans, it allows for customized watering schedules for different areas of your yard. Its misting and timed irrigation modes, along with rain delay, ensure optimal water usage for a variety of applications. Key features: manage irrigation through the Smart Life app, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Set up 5 individual watering plans for each zone. Ideal for outdoor cooling and dust reduction. Automates watering with customizable schedules. Skips watering for 1 to 7 days to conserve water. Number 5. RAINPOINT Smart Hose Timer. The RAINPOINT Smart Hose Timer offers a flexible and durable solution for managing multiple watering zones through its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. With weather-based smart watering and detailed water tracking, it ensures efficient water usage while saving on water bills. Its dual-zone design and brass inlet make it ideal for a variety of outdoor watering needs, including lawns, flower beds, and misting systems. Key features: 2 independent watering schedules, durable and easy to attach. Skips watering on rainy days. Monitor usage for savings. irrigation and misting options. Number 6. Unistyle SMT201 Smart Hose Timer. The Unistyle SMT201 Smart Hose Timer offers convenient Wi-Fi-controlled irrigation, allowing you to manage your watering schedule remotely through the Smart Life app. With features like rain delay, spray irrigation mode, and a durable waterproof design, it's perfect for maintaining your garden with ease. This timer ensures efficient water usage and reliable outdoor performance. Key features: manage irrigation via the Smart Life app. Skip watering for 1 to 7 days to save water. Ideal for cooling and dust removal. UV resistant, waterproof, and weatherproof. Up to 5 watering modes for each zone. Thanks for watching. Each of these smart hose timers brings something unique to the table, from the weather-based intelligence of the Rachio SHVK001 to the versatile Unistyle SMT201. These products offer efficient, eco-friendly watering solutions that save time and effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews and gardening tips. Thanks for watching.